ayé ojú ayé Babangida, ẹ wo ojú ayé Babangida lóde. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí Yagboyaju TV, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ according to time ibi tí ẹ bá wà lórílẹ̀‐èdè gbogbo àgbáyé. Èmi ọmọ yín ni Comrade Lamid Akanbi, Yagboyaju, ọkùnrin púpọ̀, ọkùnrin tó pọ̀, ìròyìn wàjúwàjù la mú wá síwájú yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí ó ṣe ń lọ káàkiri ní gbogbo àgbáyé. Oríṣiríṣi ni ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o, oríṣiríṣi ni à ń gbọ́, oríṣiríṣi dẹ̀ ni a tún máa bá ara wa sọ until tí wọ́n bá ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí à ń sọ, tí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n bá ti sọjí ayé wọn pé yes, ilé tó lọ, nǹkan tí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n bá wọn sọ, ọmọ Yorùbá bíi tiwọn tí à ń bá wọn sọ, ojú ayé Babangida lóde. Ṣé wọ́n lè fi ọ̀bọ kí wọ́n fi lọ àwọn Haúsá àbí Fúlàní bí wọ́n ṣe ń fi ọ̀bọ lọ àwa ìran Yorùbá? Àwa Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọjí ayé wa o. À wí, à ń sọ, a sì ń sọ náà ni pé orílẹ̀-èdè tí à ń pè ní Nàìjíríà kò lè work, kò dẹ̀ lè work rárá. Ẹ mọ̀ pé gbogbo ìgbà ni máa ń ju ọwọ́ mi báyìí, kò lè work rárá. Babangida Gbàdàmọ́sí Babangida, ó wà boldly láti jáde láti lè sọ gbogbo àwọn atrocity nǹkan tí ó ti ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, àwọn tá à ń pè ní who is who, wọ́n tún ṣe kí ni, wọ́n tún donate owó fún library tí ó fẹ́ ṣí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé màálù ló fẹ́ lọ ka ìwé nínú library tí Babangida fẹ́ ṣí? Mo béèrè ní o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn ní comment section, ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ bóyá ṣé màálù àbí àwọn Haúsá tí wọn kì í kàwé àbí Fúlàní tó ń da ẹran káàkiri lọ́wọ́ máa lọ ka ìwé nínú library tí Babangida fẹ́ launch àbí tó fẹ́ ṣí. Ẹ wòye billions of naira bí wọ́n ṣe ń pe owó bí ẹni pé pépà ni wọ́n ń pè. Màá fi fídíò kan wọ̀nyí níbi tí alàgbà tí ó mọ̀ nípa nǹkan tá à ń pè ní politics, ó mọ̀ nípa politics, ó narrate gbogbo nǹkan tí ó yẹ kí àwa ìran Yorùbá kí a ṣe apart from restructuring tí ó sọ o, nítorí pé yálà bóyá a restructure ni àbí a restructure, Fúlàní sì máa ní access sí orílẹ̀-èdè titi wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá. Nǹkan tí àwa ọmọ Yorùbá fẹ́ ni wípé kí oníkálukú, ìgbéyàwó tí wọ́n fi tipátipá so wá pọ̀, mo mọ̀ pé ó máa yé yín bí mo ṣe ń sọ, ìgbéyàwó tí wọ́n fi tipátipá tí wọ́n fi so wá pọ̀ àwọn British, ẹ jẹ́ kí ìgbéyàwó yìí kí a fi òpin sí. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ kí ìgbéyàwó tí ó so wá pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Igbo, Haúsá, Fúlàní àti China, nítorí pé very soon ẹ̀yà yẹn ṣì máa padà wá join ní Nàìjíríà pé ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n. Mo kàn fi yẹn náà kún ni because gbogbo ilẹ̀ wa ló ti fẹ́ rà tán wọn China. Ẹ̀yà mẹ́ta ni wọ́n so pọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ o, but ẹ̀yà mẹ́rin ti jáde láti inú ẹ̀yà mẹ́ta. Tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ Yorùbá, Igbo àti Haúsá. Àwọn Haúsá wọ́n accept àwọn Fúlàní láti máa bá wọn jọ fìdíkòdí. Àwọn Fúlàní wọ́n sọ pé àwọn ò kì í ṣe outcast o, Fúlàní Haúsá lọ wọn. Nísìnyí wọn ò claim Fúlàní Haúsá o, kò sí Fúlàní kankan, kò sí Haúsá kankan mọ́ ní position ní north. Nínú gbogbo state wọ́n ti take over 90% of Fúlàní ló ń rule wọn ní north. Nǹkan tí wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ wá ṣe nílẹ̀ Igbo tí àwọn Igbo kọ̀ nìyẹn. Nǹkan tó fẹ́ wá tó ti ń ṣe tí àwa Yorùbá tí a sọjí ayé wa tí a jára wa, wọ́n ti ń ṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá o. Very soon àwọn Fúlàní a máa ní Yorùbá Fúlàní lọ wọn. Yorùbá Fúlàní wọ́n kúkú ti ń sọ Yorùbá. so ẹ má jẹ́ ká sunrun àsùnpìyè ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ má jẹ́ ká sunrun àsùnpìyè. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, Yorùbá nation òun la fẹ́, Yorùbá nation làwa ń clamor fún. Orílẹ̀-èdè titi wa níbi tá a ti máa ṣe ìjọba tíá, òun nìkan tá à ń tọrọ fún. Kó tó di pé màá play fídíò yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ orin àsíá wa, orin orílẹ̀-èdè wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́, kẹ́ wá wo ìtumọ̀ àwọn nǹkan tó wà nínú orin náà, ìyẹn ẹni tó bá yé. National anthem ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Iṣẹ́ wa fúnlẹ̀ wa, fún ilẹ̀ ìbí wa, kàgbéga, kàgbéga, kàgbéga fàyè rí. Ìgbàgbọ́ wa ní pé bá ti bẹ̀rù là ń bọ̀ mọ́, ká ṣiṣẹ́, ká ṣiṣẹ́, ká ṣiṣẹ́, ká jọlá. Ìṣọ̀kan àtòmìnira ní kẹ́ jẹ́ ká máa lépa, tẹ̀síwájú fọ̀pọ̀ ire àtòhun tó dára. Ọmọ Òwúrọ̀ dìde, bọ́ sípò ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ, ìwọ ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ gbogbo adúláwọ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà ti fi etí gbọ́ nínú orin orílẹ̀-èdè wa, ó sọ pé bí a ṣe bí ẹrú ni a bí ọmọ, bí a ṣe bí ẹrú la bí ọmọ. Ó túmọ̀ sí pé àparò kankan nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kò ní ga jura wọn lọ. Equally àti ọmọ tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bí, equal right, kò ní jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa sọ pé àwọn elite kan ni wọ́n ń rúlù wa, àwọn elite kan a lè control wọn, a lè correct wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ni orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá ṣe máa rí. Oríṣiríṣi infrastructure òun ni ó máa wá sílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Òun la ṣe ń sọ fún èèyàn ọmọ Yorùbá, tí a bá lè máa contribute owó sí central account, ẹ jẹ́ ká darapọ̀ mọ́ ètò ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí mò ń ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye tí Ọlọ́run ti fi fún wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá, ká fi dára wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ká mọ bí a ṣe fẹ́ trade lórí AI tí a ní lose owó kankan. Mo ti ń sọ tipẹ́tipẹ́, àwọn èèyàn ti ń darapọ̀, àti níbi èèyàn 10 tó ti darapọ̀ tó ti ń ṣe báyìí. A tún sì nílò ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn kí wọ́n darapọ̀. Ọmọ Yorùbá nìkan tí ẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ Yorùbá, policy AI is starting from $300. Ìwọ tó bá wá ní $300, àkáǹtì ẹ ló máa ṣí sí o, kò kí ń ṣe àkáǹtì mi o. Kò ń ṣe pé bóyá o máa fún mi lówó yẹn kí n máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe. Ìwọ gangan fúnra rẹ ló máa ní orúkọ ara ẹ, wà á ní. Tó bá ti wá ní, wà á máa wá trade, a máa fún ẹ ní signal, á kọ́ ẹ bó ṣe máa ṣe. Wà á dẹ̀ máa ẹnu owó ní ojoojúmọ́ tí a bá ti wà too greedy. A ní lose owó kankan online. Tá bá wá rí 2,000 ọmọ Yorùbá tó ń ṣe, a máa rí 13,000 every month end tí a máa contribute, bóyá $5 là ń contribute ni. Òun a nílò owó láti fi jìjàngbara, láti fi dá orílẹ̀-èdè titi wa, láti fi ṣe road infrastructure, oríṣiríṣi technology a máa gbé wọlé. Àwọn tí wọn ti gbójú jáde tí a lè ràn lọ́wọ́ nípa technology, ẹ wo nǹkan oríṣiríṣi tí ọmọ Yorùbá ń ṣe káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé. Tí a bá wá ń ṣe nǹkan yẹn ní orílẹ̀-èdè titi wa, ìjẹ́ àwọn tí à ń pè ní aláwọ̀ funfun yìí, ǹjẹ́ wọn ò ní máa wá yáwó lọ́wọ́ titi wa náà? Nàìjíríà ń jẹ gbèsè. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ̀, àwọn tí wọ́n wà ní into politicians, àwọn ni wọ́n ń kówó wa jẹ. How can a particular person contributed 1 billion, 2 billion for Babangida library? Lára àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá dẹ̀ ni a dẹ̀ nírú àwọn owó. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí bàbá yìí tí wọ́n sọ pẹ̀lú Arise. I'm giving Arise this credit. Arise wọ́n ṣe interview fún ẹni yẹn dẹ̀ yànyàn náà ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pé how can ni èèyàn máa contribute to adúrú owó tí wọ́n á jẹ́ wípé owó wa owó ìrandíran owó 20 years to come tí ó bá yẹ pé Nàìjíríà wà peaceful Nàìjíríà wà progress wà ní Nàìjíríà àwọn èèyàn ò jápa bí wọ́n ṣe ń jápa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fídíò yẹn kí nǹkan tí mo sọ kó lè yé yín dáadáa.
Of massive looting of Nigerian wealth. Everything, Nigeria state have been privatized, both in asset-wise and in liquid cash. You cannot believe how much money in private hands, raw cash. And Nigeria is bleeding. Nigeria is in deficit. Before somebody can donate 2 billion, 3 billion, he must have 50 billion in his account.
Yes.
Where is that money?
Where is that money coming from? It's not from the...
But wait, Dr. Fakonda, the money...
Is that money from Nigerian state that they got it?
Dr. Fakonda, the money is their money. What do you want to do about it? What do you propose?
What did they invent? What did they invent to get the money? It's from oil blocks now. I've written a paper. There are 43 entities that has oil blocks in Nigeria. Oil blocks belong to Nigerian state. In any case, until we take the wealth of Nigerian back from these people and put it in public hands.
Yeah.
It happened in Saudi Arabia in 2017. In 2017, the Crown Prince then assembled all the people who have big money in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Put them in Ritz-Carlton Hotel and told them, please surrender all that you have so that Saudi Arabia can grow. We need to do the same thing. Somebody, I don't know. As I said, it will be 60 years next year that the soldiers took over the affairs of Nigeria. We have 1 year now to decide that all money in private hands, voluntarily surrender it. No one should have 2, 3, 4, 5 billion and be donating it as if you are pouring confetti on a wedding guest.
Well, if they have
it's obscene. It's obscene.
I get your point.
No, they don't have it. The money should be... The money should be confiscated. In fact, that library money should be confiscated. Which library? Who is going to read the books? Is it the Almajiris in Niger State that will read the books in library?
I don't know.
In Niger State, they shut down their first plane.
Imagine.
Dr. Fakonda.
Is that where they're going to read the books in a library?
Dr. Fakonda, you're a man of constitution.
National...
Explain to me what kind of laws can you invoke to do that? I'm not against you. I want to be convinced.
Doctrine of necessity.
A doctrine of necessity.
The doctrine of necessity has to be convened. Yes. Okay. We have 3,000 megawatts.
Yes.
We get 3,000 megawatts. We're stuck on it.
Yes.
If you don't want to apply doctrine, okay, what right did they have to privatize? What right did Babangida have to give all this oil blocks to people? Whom did they consult? Which law gave them the power to give public wealth to private hands?
So your take is that we should go back to challenge all the people who said, Babangida has made me, I'm grateful to him. We should go back to them and say, let's talk about it. Is that your take?
Look, the atmosphere of wealth without work will not get Nigeria out of where we are now. There must be work with wealth. If you are not working and you are wealthy, something is wrong. Something is wrong. That's not the truth. I will not sugarcoat it at all. I mean, somebody like me, I work in public service for 26 years. Yes. I've been retired now for 25 years. Can I donate 100 million to anybody? Can I buy form to run for Senate in my state? The next election now, it's all the money privatized that are going to be used to buy forms.
I get your point.
Would that be right?
You, Dr. Fakonda, I don't know. Before we let you go, you are from Osun State. Let's talk about your state. You're Nijesheman from Osun State.
We must change this system and go back to pre-1966.
That is what I will not agree with you.
Sit there and think that he's going to win election 2027 and rule.
Well, I'm going to...
His time is now. If he doesn't do anything now, we are not going to have peace in this country. We must come to two-tier federalism. We must come to regionalization. Each region should take care of its own affairs, create as many local governments as it wants. It's not business of Abuja or Attorney General Fagbemi to be talking about law, High Court judgment, Supreme Court judgment. What does it need to do about local government in the federal system?
Okay.
So everything is wrong. Everything is wrong.
I know I'm going to go to your vision of how this restructure thing should happen, but allow me to take a political question before we go to the institutional one.
The truth about the situation in Nigeria now, sir, the truth about the situation in this country, even restructuring cannot work. There will still be some conflicts between the Hausas, the Yoruba, and the Igbos. Let us go our own way. Let us go our own way. That is the only solution. All these things cannot be resolved. The debt Nigeria is owing cannot be paid back. So let everybody have their own portion and go their own way. That is the only solution. That is when we can actually rule our. We can have our own Yoruba nation and have a restructuring kind of system in Yoruba nation, not in this country, Nigeria. Every day we wake up, we are in suffering. Every blessed day. Ilẹ̀ tí à ń jẹ ìyà. Ilẹ̀ tí à ń jẹ ìyà. Nigeria. Nigeria. We wake up every day and we see poverty, we see stubbornness, we see, I'm still going to play another video for you guys that are watching. Thank you for joining me on Yagbo Yaju TV. I'm still going to play another politician that was kidnapped. I think they call him Afenifere, youth Afenifere leaders or something. Imagine, this is what we are talking about. This is exactly what we are preaching. Kidnapping will never stop, even if we have our own restructuring under Nigeria. Will kidnapping stop? That is the question I'm going to ask this man. If you are asking for something that will put us in more danger, restructuring will put us in more danger. Let us have our own constitution under Yoruba nation, Yoruba land, where the Brazil people, the Yoruba people in Brazil can easily come and visit for tourism. We have lots of infrastructure. We have lots of tourism places that people that we can convert it to money. We have resources. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ̀yin Afẹ́nifẹ́re yìí, mi ò fẹ́ pè yín ní ìdàkejì ẹ̀. Ẹ ronú, ǹjẹ́ ẹni tí wọ́n kidnap tó tẹ̀ ń pè ní youth leader Afẹ́nifẹ́re níbo ló wà lénìí? I'm throwing that question to the Afenifere, and he wants to become the governor of Ondo State under the same fraudulent constitution of 1999. How? Who does that? We need to come out of this bondage. Yoruba people need to be liberated. Yoruba people has been turned to beggars now. Presently in Nigeria, Yoruba people are begging for food. It has never happened before. Presently in Nigeria, we are not comfortable as a Yoruba people. We don't speak the same language. We don't speak the same. We don't have the same food. We don't eat the same food. We don't have the same ideology. They are this, we are this. We are just like this. We don't have the same ideology. We don't have the same ideology with the Igbo people. We don't have the same ideology with the Hausas, not to talk of the Fulani. So let us go our own way. To back up what I'm saying, they just kidnapped the person that wants to be governor of Ondo State under a Labour Party. He was kidnapped. and they are asking for ransom. Let me show you the video. I'm telling you that this country cannot work. Let us separate ourselves from this, like my brother used to call it, shit hole country. Olayomi Koiki Media. He's always saying it's a shit hole country. So let us see. This man said even President Tinubu should not be expecting him becoming president 2027. Is it not a fact? Are we not seeing it already? In fact, he wants to make his own son to be governor of Lagos State. I saw the video. I saw the poster. Who does that? This position is rotating between the elites. They are the one ruling us. So this is not like Bi Ashe Bi Eru La Bi Omo under the Nigeria, but in Yoruba nation, Bi Ashe Bi Eru La Bi Omo. That is what will happen in Yoruba nation. That is exactly what we will work on. Nobody will be bigger than anybody. We will all be equal. Your business will determine, your talent will determine how you will be rich in Yoruba land. Your services will determine, and there will be regulator of everything. Let us have our own nation so that we can, you know, turn our nation to a comfortable place for even foreigner. Watch this video and see what I'm talking about.
Nigerians, help me.
He's begging for his life.
1 million will go a long way to save my life. My name is Prince Eniola Ojajuni.
Eniola Ojajuni.
God bless
Ojajuni.
you. Please help me to spread this video.
He's begging for his life now.
Nigerians, help me.
If at all they have not even killed him by now.
1 million will go a long way to save my life.
If they have not even killed him by now.
My name is Prince Eniola Ojajuni.
And this man is asking for restructuring under which country?
My own head. Nigerians, help me. Your 100,000
is in need. This is somebody that wants to be a politician under Nigeria.
My name is Prince Eniola Ojajuni. God bless you. Please help me to spread this video. My own head. Nigerians, help me.
This is somebody that wants to be.
1 million will go a long way to save my life.
Just imagine, he's begging for his life.
My name is Prince Eniola Ojajuni. God bless you. Please help me to spread this video. My own head. Nigerians, help me.
Where are we going from this country? Where are we going? Where are we heading to?
My name is Prince Eniola Ojajuni.
Where are we heading to? The only solution is Yoruba nation.
Please help me to spread this video. My own head. Nigerians, help me. Your 100,000.
The only solution.
1 million will go a long way to.
The only solution for Yoruba people now is to have our own country. You have listening to him. He's begging for his life. He's asking for even common 50,000. This is somebody that wants to become a governor of Ondo State. Eniola, Prince Eniola Ojajuni. Imagine that. And you want us to still restructure, to apply restructuring under this kind of situation. Even President Bola Tinubu Ahmed cannot even stop this kidnapping of a thing. If not, the politicians are the ones sponsoring these people. This is a corrupt country, corrupt system. We need to stay away. We need to come out of this bondage that the British have put us. We need to come out of it. I need láti jáde kúrò nínú ẹ̀. I need láti gbára wa kúrò lọ́wọ́ ogun tó ń bọ̀ tí àìtí ìfojú rí. This is what we are talking. This is elite. Is more like an elite person in Yoruba land. Under the Labour Party, he was kidnapped. And they are asking for ransom on his head. Is it Labour Party that will now give him the money to be free, to have his freedom back? Why, when we can have our freedom now under this fraudulent constitution of 1999? They are contributing money for Babangida to have a library. Is it goat? Is it cow that will be reading? Because me personally, I can't go to that library because of all the atrocity that this man has caused us caused 20 years, 20, 50 years generation to come. He has caused them. He has used their future already. Many of all this who is who in Nigeria, they have used 20 years generation future to come. They have used them. So the only solution is to have our nation. Let us come out of it. That is why you see Professor Adebanji Akintoye clamoring for Yoruba nation. If this guy join Yoruba nation, I believe he will not be kidnapped by now, because the spirit that is protecting the Yoruba people, the Yoruba nation people, will protect him. And one protect him. Aṣáàrán àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n ń jà fún òmìnira ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ìjẹ́ wọ́n ti àti rẹ́ni tí wọ́n kidnap nínú àwọn tí wọ́n ń jìjàǹgbara fún Yorùbá tí kò dẹ̀ ní ṣẹlẹ̀ ní agbára Elédùmarè. Ìkan tí bàbá wa Chief Sunday Igboho tó jà fún ni, tí wọ́n lé gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n kidnap àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ní Ìbàràpá, tí wọ́n pa tó pa ẹni tí ó wá invest, mo ti gbàgbé orúkọ wọn, ẹni tó wá invest nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, wọ́n dẹ̀ pa, wọ́n tún pa ọkọ olóyún. So are we going to remain in this kind of situation and be clamoring for restructuring? For me, restructuring is no. I want to see the viewers. I want to see your comments. I want you to type no restructuring. What we need is Yoruba nation. If you believe that we'll have a good nation, type you want Yoruba nation. Yoruba nation is what we want. Let this video go viral. Share this video and let it get to where it's supposed to get to. Ẹ bá mi pín, ẹ bá mi share. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá àtàtà, ẹ pín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jìjàǹgbara, ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò nínú bondage tí a wà yìí. Ogun tó ń bọ̀ kò ní ká wa mọ́lé o. Ànírún gbé sọnù bí ó ṣe ibi ọmọ la máa gbé sọnù ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Àwọn ọmọ wa ti ń sọnù. Àwọn ọmọ tí àìtí bí gan, kí ni future ta ní fún wọn? Kí ni nǹkan tí wọ́n ń bọ̀ wá ṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? Under this constitution, then sọ pé we should restructure it. Bàbá yìí ẹ lọ change ohun. The only solution is Yoruba nation. That is the only solution. Thank you for watching this video. I believe you have learned something. Please share this video. Let it get to where it's supposed to get. Share it with youth people. I'm a youth as well. This shouldn't be happening in the land that you can even leave something outside. Before, I'm talking of 90s, 60s, 50s. People will leave their market outside and they will buy it and still leave money there. Nothing will happen to it. Nobody can do that now. So therefore, share this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. It will not cost you anything. Click subscribe button and click notification bell so that whenever we upload video or we go live, you can be part of the live show or watch our new video. Thank you for joining. I remain Comrade Lamid Akanbi, Yagbo Yaju, Ọkùnrin púpọ̀, Ọkùnrin tó pọ̀ pọ̀ pọ̀. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you on the next one. Ẹ ṣé.